So after talking with a couple of other local roofers, I did a quick Google search to find out if one of them was expensive, and that's all I asked, if the roofer was expensive, and came back and said it was. And the search directed me over to Daniel's website for Roof Direct San Antonio. And I submitted my form. I talked with Daniel that same night. He walked me through his entire process, and we booked something on the calendar. And after all of his calculations, it came out to about $9,000 less expensive than the lowest competitor that put out an offer for me. As you can see, Daniel and his team did a fantastic job with the roof. They just completed a couple of days ago. Took them just a couple of days, and the roof came out great. Submitted to insurance, got a nice low premium for the class 4 shingles, and like I said, about $9,000 cheaper than the lowest competitor could offer. So couldn't be happier with Daniel's work. His team was great again, and go with Roof Direct SA.